Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm just going to show you guys that I'm going to run this freezer of my solar panel, and I have a watts meter so you can see right now it's off. You see the wire. Let's see guys. Alright, let me turn on the freezer. Well, you can see it start like, I think it's like between 400 to 500 watts. Right now it's dropping with the 3000 watts inverter. You can see it's running. You can see the freezer is empty. Please guys, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna update more what I can use, what I can run of my solar panel. So see you next video guys. Bye.